Student, welcome to my class. It's me Neha Mr. We will continue the chapter. Might after all be successful. It won't be so bad if he at least bark. It the most He's the most noiseless dog I have ever seen in my life. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा शांत ऐसा डॉगी मैंने कभी पहले नहीं देखा है. कम से कम ये भौंकता तो भी चलता. Now see, the young man was extremely irritated at this. He considered it to be the most uncharitable cynicism, but the dog justified it that very night. Now see, Ranga lived in a hut 3 miles from the town. He was gang coolie, often employed in a road mending. Occasionally at the night he enjoyed the thrills and the profit of breaking into the house. At 1 o'clock that night Ranga removed the bars of the window on eastern side of the house and slipped in. He eased along the wall, searched all the and almirahs trunks and almirahs in the houses and made near the neat bundle of all the jewelry and other valuable he could pick up. अब एक यहाँ पे रंगा के बारे में दिया गया है जो कि 3 माइल्स टाउन से दूर रहता था, जो कुली का काम करता था. कभी कभी ओकेजनली जो रोड में जो ठीक ठाक करने का लेबर का काम होता है वो भी करता था. लेकिन उसका काम क्या था कि घर घुस के किसी के घर में अंदर जाके उसको घर को चोरी करने का काम भी करता था. और उसी की रात 1 बजे करीब में, रात के 1 बजे वो खिड़की से विंडो से घर के अंदर घुस के और फिर सारा चीज़ जो ट्रंक और अलमीरा के अंदर था वो सारा चीज़ जो ज्वेलरी वगैरह था, जो कीमती सामान थे, वो सारा जितना हो सके उसने सारा एक इकट्ठा करके एक बंडल बना लिया था. He was just starting to go out. He had just put 1 foot out of the gap he had made in the window when he saw Attila standing below, looking up excitedly. Waited for a moment, tried waiting, stood up, but the floor was lap of the burglar. He put back his ears, licked Ranga, handed, rolled his eyes. Ranga whispered, "I hope you are not going to bark." "Don't you worry, I am not the shot." The dog tried to shake. "Just a moment, let me down from here," and said the burglar. और वो बगलर जो था, वो जो चोर था, उसने क्या बोला कि लगता है तुम मेरे पे भौंकने वाले नहीं हो, तुम चिंता मत करो, मैं कोई गलत व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ. The dog obligatory took away his paws and lowered himself. "See there," and said Ranga, pointing to the backyard, "there is a cat." और उसने फिर उस कुत्ते को, पपी को, जो बड़ा हो गया था, डॉग बन गया था, उसको एक बिल्ली दिखाई पीछे में. Attila put up his ears at the mention of the cat and dashed in the direction indicated. One might easily have thought he was going to tear up a cat, but actually he didn't want to miss the pleasure of company of a cat if there was one. Now see, उसको लगा कि वो उसको जाके उसको मार के वो खाएगा, उसको टुकड़ा कट कर देगा, लेकिन उसने ऐसा नहीं किया अटीला ने. और अटीला को एक कंपनी चाहिए थी, वो उसको कंपनी से ही वो खुश था. As soon as the dog left him, Ranga made a dash for the gate. Given a second more, he would have hopped over it, but the dog turned and saw that what was about to happen, and his one spring was at the gate. He looked hurt. Is this proper?" he seemed to ask. "Do you want to shake me off?" He hung his heavy tail down so loosely and looked so miserable that the burglar struck his head, at which he revived. The burglar opened the gate and went out. The dog followed him. Attila's greatest ambition in the life was to wander in the street freely. Now things seems to be shaping up ideally. Now अटीला का एक सपना था, क्या था कि वो फ्री होके रोड पे, यानी कि चौराहे पे वो घूम सके. और वो उसके जो रांगा था उसकी वजह से वो पूरा हुआ. रांगा ने गेट खुली छोड़ दी, उसको भी खोल दिया था, और वो उसको सपना पूरा होता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा था. Now Attila liked his new friend so much that He won't leave him alone even for a moment. He lays before Ranga when he sat down to the eat, sat on the edge of his mat when he slept in his hut, waited patiently on the edge of the pond, and when Ranga went now then for hours slept on the roadside when Ranga was at work. This sort of companionship got on Ranga's nerves. He implored, "Oh, dog, leave me alone for a moment, won't you?" Unmoved, Attila sat before him with his eye locked on his friend. Attila disappeared. Attila's disappearance created a sensation in the bungalow. "Didn't tell you," the mother said, "to lock him up. Now some burglar has gone away with him. What a shame. We can hardly mention it to anyone." You are mistaken, replied the defender. डिफेंडर जो उसको सपोर्ट करता था हमेशा, वो बोला अटीला के जो गायब होने पे वो माँ बोलती है, वो बोलता है कि वो लगता है बगलर के साथ चला गया, लेकिन वो उसकी माँ बोलती है तुम गलत बोल रहे हो, तुम हमेशा उसकी साइड लेते हो, इट इज़ जस्ट अ कोइंसिडेंस, और ये सिर्फ एक कोइंसिडेंस है जो हमारे साथ हुआ है. ही मस्ट हैव गॉन ऑफ ऑन हिज ओन अकाउंट. इफ़ ही हैड बीन देयर नो थिफ वुड हैव डेयर टू कम. और वो बोलती है अगर अगर वो बोलता है सॉरी उसके पापा कि अगर वो यहाँ होता तो कोई चोर यहाँ पे नहीं आता, इसीलिए उससे पहले ही वो चला गया होगा. वाट एवर इट इज़ आई डोंट नो इफ़ वी शुड after all thank the God for taking away that dog. He may keep the jewelers as a reward for taking him away. Shall we withdraw the police complaint? और वो बोलता है अच्छा धन्यवाद है उस चोर का भी जो मेरा वो डॉगी को लेके गया, वही कोई काम का नहीं था, तो क्या हमें पुलिस में कंप्लेन करनी चाहिए. दिस facetiousness ceased a week later and Attila rose to the rank of a hero. The eldest son of the house was going towards the market one day. नाउ सी इसके बाद ये बात को ये जो था ये जो बात ये वाक़या जो हुआ था उसका एक हफ़्ता हो गया, और उसके बाद अटीला जो था वो एक हीरो बन गया था नाउ. और उसके जो बड़े बेटे थे वो उस दिन एक दिन वो बाज़ार जा रहा था. ही स अटीला ट्रोटिंग आफ्टर समवन ऑन द रोड. और वो देखता है कि अटीला जो है किसी को फॉलो कर रहा था रोड में. हे साउटेड द यंग मैन, एट विच रांगा टर्न एंड ब्रोक इनटू अ रन. Attila, who always suspected that his new friend was waiting for the slightest chance to desert him, galloped after Ranga. "Hey, Attila!" shouted the young man, and he also started running. Attila wanted to answer the call after making sure of his friend, and so he turned his head for a second and galloped faster. Now, see, जब उसने देखा उसके बड़े एल्डर बेटे ने कि वो अटीला उसको फॉलो कर रहा था वो चोर को, और उसने ज्वेलरी भी पहन रखी थी. नाउ सी ये और ये आप ये फिगर में भी आप देख सकते हो. सी Ranga disapparently doubled his pace. Attila determined to stick to him at any cost. और अटीला सोचता था मैं किसी भी हाल में इसके पास पहुंचूं. As a result, he ran so fast that overtook Ranga and clumsily blocked his way. और ये इतना ज़ोर से दौड़ा कि वो उसके रास्ते में बीच में आ गई है. फिगर में भी यही बात दिखाई गई है. सी Ranga stumbled over him and fell. As he rolled on the ground, a piece of jewelry which he was taking to receive a stolen property flew from his hand. The young man recognized it as belonging to his sister and sat down on Ranga. A crowd collected and the police appeared on the scene. और उसके बाद वो जो उसके हाथ से जो कुछ चीज़ें गिरी वो सिर्फ ज्वेलरी थी जो जिसका वो उसकी बहन की ज्वेलरी थी जो उसने पहचान लिया, और सभी लोग भी इकट्ठा हो गए और वहाँ पुलिस भी पहुँच गई. Attila was the hero of the day. Even the lady of the house softened towards him. He said, "Whatever one might say of Attila, one has to admit that he is a very cunning detective. He is too deep for words. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा जासूस है. Thank you for listening.